Solstice lines are the ancient energy ley lines that form the global energy grid that connects volcanoes to where major earthquakes occur and energy vortexes that create plane crashes. Solstice lines mark out on a world map where the winter and summer solstices, sunrise and sunset, occur. The main ancient energy ley lines, known as solstice lines, were known to ancient civilizations. They built ancient monuments on these solstice lines around the world. Ancient monuments built around the world define the major solstice lines. These monuments include over 30 sites that include locations such as Stonehenge, the Nazca Lines, Easter Island, Göbekli Tepe, the Temple Mount in Jerusalem. The main ancient solstice lines include most of the ancient pyramids created by lost ancient civilizations to harness the energy from these solstice lines. The major pyramids include the Giza pyramids, the Mexico pyramids, the Bosnian pyramids, Indonesia's pyramids. Volcanoes around the world fuel the energy that form the major solstice lines on our planet. These are some of the major volcanoes on the main global solstice lines. The volcanoes of Iceland, Mount Vesuvius, Krakatoa, Yellowstone's caldera, Mount St. Helens, Mount Hood, volcanoes in Alaska. Large earthquakes have killed millions on these solstice lines over the millennia. Recent killer quakes include the Great Haiti Quake, 2004 tsunami, the Great North Japan Quake, quakes in Turkey, China, Alaska, Chile. Plane crashes occur over and over on these solstice lines. These are only some of the famous plane crashes to occur on these solstice lines. Swiss Air 111, Egypt Air 990, TWA 800, Flight 587, numerous planes on 9/11, ValueJet 592, Air France 447, Air Algérie 6289 and 5017, Metrojet 9268, Air Asia 8501, German Wings 9525, Concorde Flight 4590. The Earth's global solstice lines were discovered by Dr. Saul Adoni, aka Solar, who has used these energy lines to predict accurately where earthquakes and hurricanes as well as plane crashes would occur now for over 20 years. The earthquake and plane crash warnings of Solog are world famous. Solog is often called the new Nostradamus in the media and by his fans.